looks good.
Camera work looks awesome.
Like, alright, gotta find a different way out.
That'd be me.
We need to fight. We all know that for all of us.
Don't call me son.
Some of this feels like the raid a little bit.
Oh, hell yeah. I am so game for this.